Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can mount in Icarus. Now first things first, you're going to need some few things. First of all, you're going to require the ranching station right here because most of the ranching or the taming aspects of the game can be made inside the ranching station. Now once I press F into the ranching station here, I can find the recipe for the basic riding saddle. Now you're going to require this saddle whenever you want to mount on your tamed animal. Now as I mentioned, I have the basic riding saddle and I also have the wooden cart as you can see right here. Now I'm going to use Danny right here as my main example on my buffalo. Now once I hold down F to examine him, I can then place down the basic riding saddle into this slot right here. Now I can do pretty much the same thing to the moa right here and to my mammoth here, Manny. Now as you can see, there's now an F to press right to mount and I can pretty much ride him. Now on the later stages of the game, if you're going to use your buffalo as your main way of hauling down items, for example the metal ores that you're going to find in caves, you might want to switch out the basic riding saddle for the wooden cart as you can see right here. It boasts more weight capacity for your mount and more inventory slots for you to place down items and also more for the heavy cargo slots here at the top. And that's pretty much it about how to mount in Icarus.